सो स्टूडेंट्स, वन बाय वन ये शूज बने हैं। 1 है, 2 है, 3, 4, 5। हमने अलग अलग जो शूज हैं इन सभी का बताना है कि कितने कितने नंबर हैं, इनके कितने नंबर्स हैं। आप सभी को सारे शूज दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना? दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चे? तो हम क्या करेंगे अभी? अभी हम जो सबसे पहले शूज बने हैं ना, हम इसको काउंट करेंगे। बच्चे पहले मैं स्क्रीन क्लियर कर लूं। आपकी एक फ्रेंड ने बहुत गंदी कर दी हमारी स्क्रीन। हम्म। तो ये वाले हमने ये काउंट करने हैं। 1, हम बेटा एक लाइन में काउंट करेंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5। आप इनके नीचे सारे लिखिए 5। यहाँ पे लिखिए सारे आंसर 5। Amira Thomas, what happened, bache? You are spoiling the screen, ma'am. Today's ma'am screen. You are a very good girl, bache. Stop doing so. Stop doing so, Myra. All have written here answer 5. Now we'll count the next pair of shoes, that is blue. Again we'll start counting. बेटा आपने जब भी काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करनी है, हमने कैसे करनी है? ऐसे करके स्टार्ट करनी है। लाइन तो नहीं ड्रॉ करनी है, बट ऐसे एक लाइन खत्म होती है, फिर हम दूसरी स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर हम तीसरी, फिर फोर्थ। ओके, we will be counting in lines. Now we have to count this pair of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many shoes of this color are there? These are 4. Everybody write 4. Good, Ashpreet. Now next is purple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Everybody write here 5. Very good, good response, bache. Now next is brown shoes. 1, 2, 3. Brown shoes are only 3. And finally your school shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. So I hope all have completed their answers. All have completed their answers. Did you like this one? Yes, everybody liked it. It is very interesting actually, na? Chale. Now we'll turn the page and move to the next page. Everybody move to the next page now. I understand, Myra. I know you are a good girl. You won't do deliberately. I know. Okay, let's move to the next page now. Next page. Wow. It is a birthday party. Okay, let's read from the top. Understanding data. पहले हमने डाटा को समझना है कि डाटा क्या होता है. So understanding data. Move down. Data is the collection of information in numerical figures डाटा क्या होता है? कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन न्यूमेरिकल फिगर्स। हमने डाटा को कलेक्ट करना है और लिखना किस में है? हमने डाटा को कलेक्ट करके हमने लिखना किस में है? न्यूमेरिकल फिगर्स में। अब न्यूमेरिकल फिगर्स क्या होती हैं बेटा? आपको वैसे तो बहुत बार हम करवाते हैं। व्हाट आर न्यूमेरिकल फिगर्स? दीज आर न्यूमेरिकल फिगर्स। These are numerical figures. Okay. Let us understand how to collect information using the examples given below. Okay. अब हम एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, पहले तो हमारा वार्म अप था ना, आपको सिखाया कैसे करना इंटरेस्टिंग वे में। अब हम इनको एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे। Look at the picture of a birthday party. You have to look at the picture of a birthday party and then give the answers. You are given questions. So, first of all, we'll read the topic. We can collect the acha, you don't you need not to read, I am reading. We can collect the following information from the verb picture. हमें जो क्वेश्चन दिए हैं ना, इनके आंसर हमने कहाँ से लेने हैं? ऊपर पिक्चर से। क्वेश्चन ए, how many children are there? Please read it. Answer is given. The answer is 8. You also count the children. You can also count the children. Is this correct answer? Yes, it is correct answer. Now question B. How many gifts are there? बच्चे, answer is already given. Why you people are writing the answers? Answer is already given na. The answer is 6. How many gifts are there? 6. Now question C. How many birthday caps are there? Answer is 6 again. So this is the data of the above picture. This is the data of the above picture. Now move down. Question 1. Look at the picture of the jungle. You are given here the picture of a jungle. Count and write the okay Mara, number of each animal. Now here you have to do your work. Here you have to tickle your brain. I am having 2 pages. You are also having 2 pages. Here, move to the next page. I won't be able to focus on the previous page. So girls, you can move to the next page, page number 133. And see, you are asked about elephant. How many elephants are there? Count the elephants and write there. Good, Ruby. Very good students. There are 3 elephants. So elephant के नीचे सभी 3 लिखेंगे. Now next is monkey. Please count the monkeys and give me the number of monkeys. Count the monkeys. 4. Yes, there are 4 monkeys. So below monkey you will write 4. Next is deer. How many deer are there? Yes, this deer is the first to answer here. There are 2 deer. And how many giraffe are there? Only 1 giraffe is there. So I will complete the table in next page. If anybody is not able to understand, I will complete the table there for you. So how many elephants are there? 3. I'm not able to write. 3. How many monkeys? 4. You have to write inside the box, not outside. Deer 2 and giraffe 1. I hope all have written in the same way. Very good student, Samara. Very good, beta. Now there are questions behind it, after it. इसको ध्यान से देखना बेटा आपने, इस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझना है और प्लीज स्टॉप राइटिंग टाइपिंग, स्टॉप टाइपिंग. अगर आप टाइप करते रहोगे तो आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. स्टॉप टाइपिंग एंड रीड द क्वेश्चन विद मी. Nobody will answer now. Simply everybody will read. Question A. Which animal is the least in number? Which animal is the least in number? First read the question. Then I will explain. फिर मैं समझाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं आंसर पूछूंगी. कोई मुझे आंसर नहीं देगा इस क्वेश्चन का. Nobody will answer. लीस्ट होता है सबसे कम. लीस्ट होता है सबसे कम. कौन सा एनिमल है जो सबसे कम है नंबर में? कौन सा एनिमल नंबर में सबसे कम है? तो विल राइट हियर जिराफ. विल राइट हियर जिराफ. Number 2. Question B, sorry. Which animal is the most in number? Now you have to tell which animal is the most in number. सबसे ज्यादा कौन से नंबर में है एनिमल्स? कौन से नंबर एनिमल का नंबर सबसे ज्यादा है? दैट इज monkey. Please write monkey. I can't write here. Space is less. The question C. How many animals are there? This answer you will give. Okay, let's move down now. Question 2. Look at the picture of the school garden and answer the following questions. Now questions are, question 1 is, how many teachers are there? Count the number of teachers and write there. Yes, Satleen, correct answer. Please start writing the answers. Good afternoon. Please start writing the answers. How many students are there? How many plants they have planted? How many girls are there? How many boys are there? Is the number of boys more than the number of girls? Write yes or no. Yes. So I will write the answers for you now. 2, 6. How many plants we have? 5. How many girls are there? 5, 2. How many boys? 4. Yes. I hope all have understood and all have done. All have understood and all have done. Let's move to the next page. This is very simple chapter. This is review time. This one you have to do by yourself. अब मैं नहीं करवाऊंगी बेटा, ये आपने खुद करना है. This is very interesting. You will enjoy doing it. Moreover, you will read it. You will read it. Now time for attendance. Here's my pen. Yes, I got it. No one will leave the class till I take the attendance. Hmm. Samaya present, Radha Jamal present, IT, Navya, Samaya Thomas present, Samaya present, अनन्या शो डाल के चली गई आराध्या राजपूत प्रेजेंट आरुषि एशके अखनूर आयुषी बानू सिंह दक्षी देवांशी दिशिता कहाँ चली गई दिव्यांशी गुरप्रीत हरकिरीत हरनूर जसबीर जससिमरत काव्या मानवी महर मायरा पाविका प्रणवत ऋषिता रूपी समृद्धि समायरा सांची सतलीन सतलीन त्रिशा वान्या पवलीन Thank you everybody for joining the class. We'll meet in the next class at 12:30. Bye.